How's it going, everyone? I just want to make a video about MULN and how, even with my system, we can find these crappy penny stocks like MULN and make massive money. So the first thing I noticed about MULN is one, we are due for the EMA 20. It doesn't mean we're going to hit it right away. I don't usually, tell people, because I got burned a lot of times if I say, hey, we're due for the 20 and we try to buy it. It's very risky, but it's good to know, like, hey, this thing has targets way to the 20. Last time we hit the EMA 20 was 1129. Now, for the people that are new to my channel, usually if you don't hit your EMA 20 in 2 months is considered long. So 1129, 1229, 129, 229. So we're about 3 months. We are absolutely due for that at 80 moments of notice. From here, where our previous candle is, to there is a 200% gain. I would not be surprised one bit if we touch it. All right, so, but we're not going to play to that. It's just nice to see that. But with this system, what I love about it is, first of all, we know price is going to revert to the mean. No matter how crappy the stock is, it will happen. Now, the question is, how do you get close to that? And then where do you like to accumulate? And then what's the time distance I like to use? So for me, I love playing the EMA 5 strategy. Because a lot of the times when I see like a ticker like MULN, and there's this massive room, like from this area all the way to the EMA 5 is a 91% gain to there. Massive room up to there. I love to see that. And those are the kind of plays I love, because what I like to do is I like to have my average under this EMA 5. I know this EMA 5 is going to go down each day. As price goes down, this goes down. So I usually accumulate once a day towards the end of the day. You can see if you did that, you would see right in here is the end of the day. You get the most precise bottom. End of the day is right here. You get the most precise bottom. Usually when the sellers are in control, they usually take it all throughout the day. If you try to buy it right at the bell, you can get pretty bad entries when you're playing against the trend. Now, when I play with the trend, it doesn't matter, but this is usually against the trend. Now, if you don't hit the EMA 5 in 7 daily candles is considered long, okay? The first thing I noticed is that we had a reverse split on February 18th. It was a 1 for 60. I don't know how MULN is not delisted. It's done so many reverse splits. It kind of blows my mind. But I'm here to make this video to say, here's the price targets if you guys are bullish. Here's how my system plays it. Everyone has a different system. I have a very unique system on how to catch bottom reversals, and it works a lot. You can see right in here, there's no candle wick or body touching this 5, right? You see there's a little distance here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 daily candles not touching this EMA 5. We have nice volume. I have to see nice volume. If there's not at least a million volume, I will not trade that ticker. And that is due to, one, there's just not a lot of attention into it. So once I see that, I like to have nice volume. The next thing I like to see is a K value near 3 or under 3. What do we have that? We have this right here. A K value right here is called a stochastic oscillator. It's my most favorite thing to use. It gives me really precise bottoms. 2.64, I would be looking to accumulate on this area. Now, that is the starting point. You could even accumulate on the 6th day. But usually, that K value really helps you say, hey, this is the day I like to accumulate. And you're not going to get the most precise bottoms. A lot of times you're not going to get here, buy it, and it goes up, right? That, it goes up 145%. I would have definitely taken the gain on the EMA 5. But you're not going to get all the time. The key is you're going to get near the bottom and you're going to accumulate. I look to accumulate 4 times. I know it seems excessive, but you don't need a lot of money into pennies. Like, let's say you want to put a max of 5K in, you can put $1,500 on this candle. And guess what? If it goes down, you do not freak out. You're like, whatever. I put another 1,500, and then I put another 1,500, and then you can be done. It's however you like to do. But I always tell people you gotta be prepared to accumulate, because there's sometimes when I can get in a penny stock, they can release some terrible news and it can go down, and I don't want to be sitting there and be like, what the heck, right? Because I have accumulations, and then because I know for sure price will come back to the 5, the 10, and the 20. And when I look at MULN is screaming for an EMA 20 touch. I do think this thing is going to get more of a bounce. Now, would I play it here on the EMA 5 and get FOMO? Absolutely not. I only buy when price is below the EMA 5 a certain amount of days, the K value is low, under 3 specifically. You can see we're at 4.83. So right in here, we reset the time distance. Now we hit the 5. If we go down, we count the candles again, okay? I would not, this was obviously your best time to buy. You got rid of the reverse split. They come out with good news. Obviously, that's what made it jump this much. But even though the algos will make it jump anyways, I've played this stock many times. I made really good money. The times that I lose on this stock is when I play just basic support resistance. Like basic retail traders will see this as support. We went up big. Try to play it again, it goes down. I try not to do that. I try to look at pennies like how do I find the bottoms, right? And using this system, you can see I can show you clearly many times where this has worked and it's did it consistently, right? Usually, what I look forward to is the lower Kelvin ratio. I have not showed you guys this yet, but if it's a negative number, it's not going to hit, and that's why it wasn't going to hit this recent time. But you can see right in here, it's not just about hitting this green band, but it's also that time distance. If you count the candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right in here with a low K value, you would look to accumulate all in this area. All right, around that 7th daily candle. And guess what? From this high to this low, you see the massive pumps. All right, it is really important to do this, even like I said. Even with a crappy stock like MULN, it works in my system. And that's why I'm making this video. And if you're up in, I would definitely take it. We're at a crucial level. How convenient that the price goes above the EMA 5 and comes all the way back down. Because the EMA 5 is resistance. This is a resistance in a downtrend stock. When price is below EMAs act as resistance. Easiest way to tell. All right, guys, I just want to make a quick video. My price target is eventually EMA 20, but obviously trail and stop your gains. All right, if you're up 10%, I always tell people take that 10%, trail and stop it at break even. So if you got in there these averages down in here, you put your average at break even and you try to write it up as much as you can. I recommend taking out 70-80% of your shares and hold the rest for higher targets like EMA 10 or 20. We don't know what exactly is going to happen, right? But we want to make sure when we see gain, we take gain. Okay, if you guys want to join the premium Discord, I think you guys will love this. Click the link down below in the YouTube comments below in the description. It'll say in the YouTube comments in the description, it'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to subscribe, please read how to subscribe right here, but it's super easy to do. All you have to do is hit this link, Day Trade Alerts, or up in here, and you'll get access to everything. Now, for this promotional video, you can get everything for literally only $12 a month, and you get access to day trades and swing trades. My day trading system is absolutely my favorite. I don't care about if the market's plummeting down like it has recently, if it's bullish or bearish. I make money every single day doing this specific strategy. I think you guys will love it. But hit day trade alerts. You'll get access to everything for $12 a month. If you're not from the US, it might be a little extra. It might be $15 or $16, but you're still getting a good deal. And if you subscribe on the computer, you can avoid the iOS fee. Guys, I think you guys are going to really like this. This is a brief scenario of how I look to trade penny stocks, bottom reversals that are downtrending, and how to get precise bottoms using the mean reversion tactic. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.